Over the past 10 to 15 years, an ongoing trend in this industry has been a higher rate of technicians leaving the industry than are coming in. And this is a challenge for everybody that's out there. And for us, one of the things that we're proudest of as an organization is we have the absolute lowest turnover in the industry, and there's really not a close second. So I think that the last statistic that I heard for the major consolidators is a turnover rate that's well into the 40+% range. And we're somewhere under 10%, so that's substantially lower. And I think that comes from a number of different areas. It comes first of all from, again, when you work at Quality Collision Group, you get to be proud. That is a benefit of being a part of QCG, is pride. And I think you feel that in all positions and in all aspects of the business, but I think most of all, you feel that as a technician. A technician is the lifeblood of any collision repair business. It's an extremely skilled position. This is something that I think a lot of people take for granted, but it takes longer to become a proficient and skilled technician operating at your peak ability than it does to become a doctor. So when you are at that point, you deserve respect. You deserve to be treated with dignity. And I think you deserve an opportunity to work in a shop, in a company that allows you to do things in a way that makes you proud to do what you do. You spent, in some cases, 10 to 15 years developing that skill set. So it's meaningful when you know you're a part of a business that does that when the competitors don't.